Today, February 4th, 2016, and this na the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV, and na the Ogbonge political discussion show as it is hot. We dey tell you us every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all of the topic where they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry am, drop am down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk am the way anything be for body, so that those where they lead this country go hear word, take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezeogo Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother Wayne Sabu when I stay concerning politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Thursday morning to our viewers where they watch us right now on this Ogbonge program, and that program where they informate, they give the political activities, because now political activities me they call them for Obodo Nigeria as it is hot. On today's matter, we go give now something, we go try deviate slightly away from the regular kind of issues where we discuss, enter into something where they where we say it calls for us to even do it in, even reflect over and see how we go fit do it in, how this thing go fit work or not. Yes, now we will talk about, and then we'll also open our phone lines when that time reaches, so that at least from our own church mind, from our own contribution, we will fit at least take our own opinion on top of the matter we want to talk about, and we could know as we go take do it in, move our country forward. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As It Is.
We not go waste any time. We will go straight to our topic for today. And this one get to do with something when we say go affect the future of Nigeria. Our Ogbonge Minister of Science and Technology, Chief Ogbonnaya Onu, based on saying he don't settle down into his ministry and he don't place emphasis on the fact say science and technology now something when we say now solid foundation for any country we want to develop. He can wake up. Come telling guys them say time don't reach for them to enter the Projects Development Institute when they for inside Enugu. As they enter there, they come they do the tour of the facilities. He can check everything when they on ground, check all the papers, bring out in plan, come make one announcement. This announcement shock plenty people. It make plenty people happy. He talk say by 2018, say Nigeria go begin to produce, make una hear me, made in Nigeria pencils. Pencil. When they use the shade for exam. Say by 2018, Nigeria go to make made in Nigeria pencils. As in talk say by 2018, Nigeria will begin to, people don't they raise hand, because for Nigeria, we they used to promise, and now hey, we they take the welcome hand. But as in talk say made in Nigeria pencils. As some people shout, hey, now so they shout, God forbid. He go ask them say why, they go talk say, if you go take Nigeria 2 years, to make made in Nigeria pencil.
4 years, Uncle.
Pencil. Say it be like say we never even start. Considering the fact say that they pump money enter into the Ministry of Science and Technology. The question we want to ask today and say, if we don't they get assembling plants for Nigeria, where Oga Innocent they join motor together, and we get young people from Nigeria when we say
they don't think,
they don't begin to do things when we say everybody
we
for
just
this world
crafts, we just crafts. Now they invent movable objects when we say if you look at it, you go say this thing at least go feel solve one or two problems within that particular domain. But anyway, continue.
The question we want to ask now and say, if we get this particular institute, when we say everything when they're supposed to do now about developments, ideas, and now the former Eastern government, old school government, now he set them up. And by 2016, we they set target for ourselves, say we want make made in Nigeria pencil. When young people from Nigeria don't they do things already for different parts of this country, shall we go begin the clap? Abi we go begin the cry. Now the question when we carry come, when we go contribute, tell us what exactly it is when we go do, when we go fit move science and technology forward inside of Obodo Nigeria.
Make we also look at somehow make we look at. It never really defined to us, or the minister no break and down the kind pencil. We won't do it, we won't produce. If you say modern pencil, you never can tell. Maybe pencil will get different technology installed in it. When we say you go get different accessories, when we say go use the, you never can tell. It could still be pencil. If not that kind of pencil, we go still say we could try clap.
Nkubi, you see, my problem with you, we say, you see, if we talk something, you see.
No, excuse me. No, sometimes
come down from the back of the motor when you dey. Make you feel see bush, because now bush now you dey enter. So We dey talk topic when they serious say minister come and talk say by 2018 we go dey do made in Nigeria pencil. Because they come and say we don't care about the pencil.
Could be a modern,
see pencil wey dey for front of our house
kind of pencil.
White this pencil now Igbo pencil.
I won't be surprised. Look, it go stop me if the minister come up with his own invention of pencil.
Nkubi, don't trivialize this issue.
No, I'm not trivializing.
You are trivializing this issue. Because if we get ministry when we say their work, we talk say science and technology. So they bring ideas.
Now the technology they
people when do aeroplane when they fly, not be science and technology.
They want to install inside the pencil.
People when do transformer when they fly, not be science and technology.
That missing technology for that person.
People when do electric cooker, not be science and technology. Why would they set our target? They put pencil. Considering the fact that we devote plenty money into that ministry, we must begin to ask questions, fellow Nigerians. We must begin to ask questions.
That is why I'm asking this question.
You are not asking any question.
The question is being referred to the minister. Is it the pencil? This regular kind of pencil? I've been a modernized and technological kind of pencil.
Okay, my problem is say
I don't hear. I don't go talk again.
You not supposed to even as I drop the question. When we say, now something when we say, you supposed to even come out clothes. The thing supposed to provoke you.
I thought I said the minister, I thought say in 2 years time, one. Excuse me. That's what you cost.
I better take your full hand, cover your mouth. Waiting be all this one now.
Now, still well, they try defend.
Where you define, they defend
countries, our nation's resources.
Which resources do they defend? Pencil, 2018.
Excuse me, viewers. It happens. Now, the issue alone calls for me to choke. So that is why I'm trying to find out the kind of pencil we are trying to produce in our country.
How we go get Ministry of Science and Technology?
If it is a technological pencil.
And we dey vote money, enter into this thing. And with the target now say 2018, Nigeria go begin to make the Nigeria pencils.
But the thing is say.
How?
They can I not say this they vex you.
It vex me.
No.
Those of us when go school when our school fees no waste. We know. I don't know about you because this is where you people come here.
Please. When it comes to the issue of payment of school fees or the amount of money my own parents spend on top of me, no take and play.
Could be not even.
No.
We know. Say that community school you go now.
No.
We know how people take gather salt, palm kernel.
I attended public primary, secondary, and university school.
Because private school never did the time when you start to go now.
Then they were the best
in the 1960s. Okay, we agree. Now free education now Western if not be Papa Awolowo, we know we know all these things now.
I'm not that old.
You can't deny it.
I am not that old.
But we see you for 1960 video. Now Independence, Tafawa Balewa Square. You won't deny say no be you be the person. Let's face the issue of science and technology.
But you don't enter me, but we will still face this issue.
I don't enter you, I talk the truth.
Me will enter.
Now.
But Chukudi, make we also look at some Nigerians feel them as a laudable step because of security. If you look at our country, you go say we don't get any standard production and production company. Rather, let me put it this way: standard company will say we feel say okay, this thing now we get that now our in-house thing. Now they produce this thing. Now they gather all the resources, take produce them, export them, and all that. Well, I notice say we define say we get one. But for this government to say, okay, see the first step where they want to take, with the kind of allocated budget where they don't give them for a period of 2 years. I mean, I feel say there are better things I feel we could channel this money into rather than say one in the next 2 years. That is half of a particular administration. Say one take discover we go take they produce pencil in our country at this modern age. Where we say we don't see people, we don't see kids, we don't see Nigerians over time, don't come up with ideas, technological ideas. How is pencil related to technology? How is pencil related to science? But we don't see people who say they'll come up with their own ideas. Think, okay, see, I don't create this machine. I don't create this thing. Now for us to do it, pick up on that, build on that. Make we know as we'll take advance rather than to fall back on one kind of cake era where we say, we don't even know.
Unkubi, the thing when they be say, we not go talk say, they're related because science, now the idea, technology now, as you bring them to life, it's okay if we think say we won't do them like this. But what would they talk? We say with all the money, with all the ideas we will get for this country, that thing now just say we they limit ourselves. Oga Agbev, they call us all the way from Makurdi. Oga Agbev, special welcome back to us in the heart.
Welcome back, Oga Agbev.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Agbev.
How are they?
We dey fine. Long time no see.
Now, well, how Lagos?
We dey fine. Lagos dey make sense.
No, that's not come up for first time. Enter Go TV now. To get to the for.
No verse. Now progress. We don't step up.
Okay. When just like you said, if though that minister when he said they want to do peso for Nigeria, it's a good idea because only thing you say where are we able to make their feet do in a way they to talk for mouth. Make sure they do it. Nigeria will get that problem will solve for Nigeria. The rest of Nigeria they do peso now. Yes, it's easy for Nigeria. It is that. Not to say what they will talk for mouth, they're not going to do it.
Okay.
You know, good. Make sure anything when they talk now, make them do it. So do peso now. Now good idea. Not be say they will do peso when they say it's not good or it's not be the peso when they see that. Make sure they do peso. Be say you will make sure it's better part the one where they see before.
Oga, thank you very much, Oga, for this your important contribution. You don't hit them exactly on the head. And at the angle where they come from, like we talked earlier, say science na the idea, technology na as you take bring the thing come to life. If we look and finish, don't talk say, make we do this thing so that it go be made in Nigeria, we go there very, very proud. The question I say, with all the money when we they vote, enter inside this particular ministry, and the fact say some Nigerians don't show us say with the blessing when God give them, they feel do things. Why we not just emphasize on our education, gather these young minds because they're special. Do them all the thing when they go do so that they bring things when we say other countries for this world go learn from us, no be pencil. Oga Nwachukwu, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Nwachukwu, welcome to our city hut.
Good morning, Nwachukwu.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Nwachukwu Aloysius.
Okay. Oga Aloysius, welcome.
I'm calling from Abuja.
Okay, right. Would they hear you right on?
What did I want to ask you say? Good morning.
Continue, we hear you. Oga Nwachukwu, abeg reduce the volume of your television so that the full Nigeria go hear you.
Okay, I don't reduce it.
Okay, continue.
What did they bother me for this matter? They say the campaign say we go they produce just as the other person they talk.
Oga Nwachukwu, be like say you go call us back, abeg. In case for our viewers say they watch us, abeg. If na they call, may not try reduce the volume of na television so that at least we go fit dey hear ourselves well. Abeg. Oga Igo they call us from ABG. Good morning, Oga Igo, and welcome back to us in the hut.
The interaction between man and its environment, now they bring about technology. If it will take 1-2 years to create pencil, how many years it will take to provide job and create opportunity to employ Nigeria youth? With this, I'll say good morning to Oga Shukudi and Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga.
This smart diagram, I get surprised. Say it will take 2 years to produce a pencil. I don't know if that the pencil they will take steam money or a pencil if you say so a spiritual pencil. I don't know. If you say about science and technology, if you go to some states, some places, you see youth when you say they produce cars on their own. They produce things, and like if you go the eastern part, na the Igbo side, you go see they produce cars, they couple cars for there. What the government don't do? When somebody now go invest something, you know the government has to empower the person. Say, okay, this person go good though. Later, instead of empower that person, you see that person now. The government from outside or outside the country go come see the technology. Say that person invent go carry from this country, carry go a country. We can put knowledge inside the person's head. Then for the person to come back from Nigeria now, to come build that technology, it go hard. Our government, not encourage the youth. So you talk about science and technology, but the interaction between the environment and the people. Not be saying you say technology now, you technology for high level. You know they go the grassroots to find technology. You sit down for on top of share, say the find technology. You not go work that way. So thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we go bring in this example of the person who talk say name na Agogo, where they live for Ogara for inside Delta State. the guy be explain say he no get any university education. Say in fact the way when he take study self based on say papa no dey, mama no dey, na cut and join. But the boy build mini aircraft, that is small plane when he use rotor and everything join together and the thing fly. And the guy build his own fuel when we say they put inside. If person when no get Western education fit think of this kind of idea, why we no get people for inside this country where they think well, see how we go fit do am so that we go fit do things when other people for this world go they look, not be just pencil, even though pencil dey okay. Oga Ibrahim, they call us all the way from Warri. Oga Ibrahim, welcome to Asi the Heart.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Ibrahim. Would they hear you?
It's not bad say they do pencil, sha.
Okay.
But what is bad is say normally the world don't grow past say pencil matter.
Thank you very much.
We don't supposed to do waiting pass like that because the way the technology, imagine other developed countries
yeah.
what they don't do, they don't even forget the year where they won't do pencil safe.
Oga Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now your contribution with that.
Oga Ibrahim, make I ask you one question.
Okay.
Now, you think say if we dey talk about people when we say that they do things for invention for inside this particular country, you think say na about say maybe people go school, go learn am, or people get ideas when they go just give the support to do am?
It better say people will get ideas because you must not go to school for you to be educated. You understand? So people do it, they get more ideas. Maybe say they go fit put into them. So join them together, maybe technology for go forward.
Okay, Ibrahim, thank you very much for this important contribution.
Ibrahim.
From this one where you don't talk, we go place emphasis on technical education. Like Oga Ibrahim talk, not be just 2 times 1, 2. It is important. But the idea when person go use bring something to enter, based on say handwork and ideas when he get, that one too they very, very important. We'll collect this call from Nwachukwu. They call us back from Abuja. Oga Nwachukwu, welcome to our City Hot.
Welcome. Good morning.
Yes, Nwachukwu, welcome back.
This is Nwachukwu.
Yeah.
What thing I come to ask for this matter be say, when I decide here, I see this very topic, me, and are there for the cry inside do.
You they cry?
If they think they pay me well.
I want to say, waiting, Oga Nwachukwu.
You mean be say all these years, where be say science and technology there for this country, where be Nigeria. Now only person, now in person go take man, gather on the population of Nigeria, say that we think go to produce.
In the next 2 years,
So I can't be surprised because this kind of person, the one what they never do it before for this world. I think that we go start the new technology nobody don't use that for this world. But anyway, if this kind of person, I don't want to say we go feed the export, even go for America, where America not get, France not get, all the other countries not get. I think maybe he go feed explain to us. But I can't the reason be say they get other important things they were supposed to do. Take for example now, like Innocent now, that place was supposed to that man don't they produce something like big motor and something. Now that very idea where we're supposed to think about. Nigeria don't pass the level to the do pencil. I beg now what thing we're supposed to put eye inside. We know they not be saying that person will come on for a whole going to tell a whole population of over 160 population say now person in Nigeria will begin to produce. I bet may they come out the top for that kind of thing.
Oga Nwachukwu, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't emphasize them. Say based on this topic where you see so made in Nigeria pencil by 2018, clap or cry. You don't talk say now cry now you do so. But it go dey good make we emphasize say anything when we say go bring progress and development for society, everybody they encourage them. We need to change our mindset. First and foremost, they talk about say if you no go this particular place, you know if you turn this kind of thing for life. We don't see those when we say don't go about invent things for this part of the world when we say don't make things when people for this world they cut cap give. These people now people when we say now their ideas now in them get. If we get this kind of institute when we say their work now to fish out people when get ideas, train them, guide them to use come up with things. They're supposed to return to the work when they're supposed to. Now the question we go ask ourselves now say, why we get government? They talk saying that the old Eastern government now he come up with this idea, set up this institute. Why we get government when we say for old school, then they think about the future, come put these kind of things. We can't get successive governments who don't even care about them. Money, they know they give. People when they train, they know they give. Experts,
and that will go and that will go into look say. See, there are better ways of looking into at least rediscovering our talents. Okay, look, in every society, I won't believe say no matter how bad the society they at least you get things where we go define such society. We get universities where we say we get science and technology faculties. Where we say if you go there, you go feel at least uncover, discover fresh heads. They will feel invent things. But before we go further on this, maybe we collect this call from Chigozie. Chigozie, they call us all the way from Onitsha. Good morning, Chigozie.
Good morning, Chukwode and the colleagues. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Chigozie, we greet you.
Please, the thing I've been laughing since I was watching this program. I've been laughing. How can they be telling us that they are producing pencil
in 2018? No, it never even start. 2018.
It never even start. 2018. Yeah. At this age of the world, then the minister is telling us that he is about to produce pencil at this age. Why the world is leaving us behind, and we are still making ourselves that showing the world that yes, we are that place they are leaving us behind. We are comfortable there. Why not aspire to go higher? If we produce what American will come to Nigeria and emulate, will Nigeria close down? Is it that we don't? Are we all dull-brained that we cannot even produce a decoder in our homes?
Chigozie, thank you very much for this important point. And we don't take one line when you carry come. You say aspire to go higher. From this aspire to go higher, we're going to enter inside break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion and still get to do with made in Nigeria pencil by 2018. Clap or cry. No go anywhere. Now still ask Ide.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.